Some bad news for Tesla FSD fans who believe it drives exactly like a human. In this special Costco parking lot FSD experience, I ran into more issues than my previous runs, like Tesla trying to cut drivers off, Tesla not finding a parking spot as well as having trouble leaving one, and thinking a shoulder lane is a lane I can drive on. I will show all of that, the good, bad, and the ugly, and as a bonus I will test out Auto Park again, but this time with the use of Tesla Vision. I wanted to really focus on a parking lot, which I believe is the most difficult part for FSD because there's just so much going on. So now here we go, we're turning up here on left, and you can see there's a long lineup coming up here, and it's okay. I don't know why it's skipping that queue. It's cutting right now, which is insane. Okay, hell no, no, I can't do this. I absolutely can't do this. You have to go the other way here because Tesla was trying to cut in line and turn left in front of everyone, which is insane. Tesla, you're supposed to follow the line and follow the queue. So hopefully this entrance was able to get us to the spot that we were trying to get into. And you see that iconic Costco wholesale symbol. Pretty much everyone out here in North America are Costco members because you get a whole bunch of food, and it's a great deal typically. And their food court, everyone knows their food. Oh, it's getting close to the. Oh my. Okay, I had to hit brake there. That was getting very close to the cart. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, you see some people here. Not as busy in the back here. I want to go to the front where it actually does get busy. This is a lot. Okay, let me try to get around this person. Okay, two people in front. It would have been better if Tesla went in the middle. This person, I just came in this person's way. Oh my goodness, hopefully that person's not angry. So let's get, and it's a dead end. Not so great. Oh my gosh. I think I have to go around. I think I have to go around here. This is brutal. This is the dead end. I'd rather be in the front. So let's go back here. Let's go back to that line. And at least we'll cut the line this way instead of turning left into the turn, and we'll just turn right instead. Okay, and this guy turning left in. Okay. All right, there's going to be a queue here. Let's see how long this queue is. I may skip this part because this will be a very slow moving line that we have to experience. So I definitely don't want to sit around here and make you guys watch all this. You know what's the worst thing to do? Come to Costco on a Saturday because it is absolutely a zoo. And you'll see such a big crowd, almost like it's a festival I'm entering. No, it's a Costco festival. But at the same time, I'm also happy with this crowd because Tesla gets a true test of how it handles so much different information it has to deal with in terms of pedestrians, the cars, shopping carts, people coming out of nowhere. Look at this guy. He's coming out of nowhere. Okay. And you know what's cool is on the display, you'll see all of the people that are kind of being shown on the screen. So it still boggles my mind the amount of details able to capture. And it actually, in a sense, does make you a better driver because you are that much more aware of your surroundings. Okay, I think I'm just going to turn left. I don't know. I don't need to wait in this line. So, but I don't know what Tesla's trying to do. So I think I'm going to have to initiate it to turn left. Yeah, I'm not driving. I just turned the left turn signal and Tesla's responding to that. Okay, it's going in very assertive because I do have it on assertive setting. And over here we see a row of shopping carts being returned by this Costco employee. Must be a drag to move that around into this busy parking lot. And now the biggest trouble of all. Let's see if we're able to find a parking spot on this busy Saturday. Okay, this is going to be quite a loop. And everyone's honking, everyone's going mad. Everyone's really wants their Kirkland products out here. Okay, I'm just gonna go around this guy. Oh, and Tesla decided to do it themselves. I didn't have to do that, by the way. Tesla did it by itself. Great, because that guy just randomly decided to stop there. I don't know what his reasoning is, but great, because that'll just block everyone else. Okay, let's see. I'm really hoping we can find a parking spot here. It is absolutely packed, but this will be a very good chance for me to test out Tesla Vision Auto Park. If you watch my previous Tesla FSD video, you'll notice that I had the older Auto Park, but now I have the new Tesla Vision based Auto Park, and I'm very excited to test it out. Oh, and this other car. Oh, another secret entrance. Maybe I should have come from there. Okay, I think I'll just keep going around in circles. I think I'll have to tell it to go and look for a parking spot in a particular area because it's not doing that. Yeah, it's gonna keep waiting in lines. I'd see that's the thing. It doesn't know to check different spots, so you kind of have to instruct it to turn left. All right, now I think we found a spot here. Oh, and this guy came out of nowhere. Yeah, you can just see the amount of people just going in and out, and this is the ultimate test right now for Tesla FSD. Now I do see a spot next to the cart. I'm gonna test this out. I'm excited to see how much better this new Tesla Vision parking is. So I'm gonna try to find a spot. Oh, I see a spot. Okay, let's hit start. Okay, all right, let's see this. Oh, let's see that person behind the car. And it's reversing. Oh, it's very slow. So if I had a car behind me, they'd probably be a little bit like, hey, what are you doing? Oh, okay. I was wondering why it stopped. There's actually a person returning a cart. That's why. But now that Tesla's realized that they are just returning a cart, they're not walking forward. It is inching slowly. Oh, watch the edges there. Side to side. Amazing. Okay. I think that was pretty solid. I'd give that a 8.5 out of 10 because it did hesitate, but at the same time there was a person returning a cart, so understandable. And we just returned from our Costco session and the parking lot is empty. When it hits 5 p.m, I think no, it was 6 p.m. When it hits 6 p.m, everyone just absolutely leaves. Okay, I'm hitting shift drive here. What's going on? It's not even it's not even moving forward. I don't know why it's inching. Just it's not turning left. And it's going from one parking spot to the next. I don't... turning left now? Okay. Good. That was a very slow exit. And it turned left late. That was a very weird exit from the parking space. And I think it's slowing. It can't reverse because there's a person behind us that came out of nowhere. People in Costco literally come out of nowhere. So I'm going to have to guide it here because this is... it needs looks like it needs some help. All right, we're back on FSD. It had trouble leaving the parking spot. I gotta say, that was pretty bad. I don't know what that was all about. I had to interfere here because I felt like it was getting pretty close. It was a wide turn, and that was not good. That was not a good FSD turn. No, I did not like that. Are we going to the gas station here? Are we going to the gas station? Oh my goodness, Tesla is not realizing that we're going to a gas station line, so I have to U-turn around, so not good. Not good at all. So that's one thing that Tesla FSD is still struggling with and figuring out what the right entry points is. So that's the biggest fail so far of Tesla in this run. The entry points, not fun. Let me summarize it in 3. Figuring out the right entrances. It cut a line so far in the front. It struggled to find a parking space. It just kept lining up. It wasn't actually searching for a parking space, and it also had trouble exiting a parking space. So to be honest, I'm not too thrilled about this FSD run so far. I actually enjoyed my previous run a little bit better. At the same time, I do give it credit that it is pretty tough. There's a lot of people going in and out, shopping carts everywhere. People just after their bulk deals, so completely understandable. And it's stopping here. I don't know. Oh, and it sees this person on the right. So sometimes it gets a bit too cautious to the point where it's like, okay, you could have gone. But then if someone was behind me, they'd probably be like, why are you waiting too long? And this guy has the audacity to turn right in front of me. Okay, people just don't care. People just don't care in the Costco parking lot. It's an advanced setting to see if you're a true good driver is go and drive in a Costco parking lot. That's how you know it's a true test to see how good your driving abilities are. Okay, let's see how good of a job it does. Turning right here. It's looking to the left. Let me see. See the cars in front. Oh, camera's gonna get blocked by this car, but one more van coming. Don't turn yet, Tesla. Okay, we're good. Okay, you're good. You can get moving. Okay. So yeah, sometimes I feel like it does not respond as fast. Okay, and it's bursting forward. Okay, relax, Tesla. Settle down. I know the speed limit's 50 here, but just settle down. Yeah, that's one thing. It kind of, I know it's thinking about it and it's trying to look towards making sure it's clear, but it does it so much to the point sometimes where people behind us are probably wondering why it's taking so long for us to react. So something that actually definitely needs improvement on Tesla, I'd say. And I'm being highly critical here, of course, but I'm only doing that because I don't want to be an echo chamber that Twitter X is, where it only praises FSD. I want to be able to call out things on its weaknesses so we as Tesla consumers can get a better product. I think if we only praise Tesla, we will be in the same spot as we always are. But having said this, I will preface, I am highly amazed by FSD as a whole. I think I never thought I would reach the day where I would be able to be in a car where it's driving me and I just sit there, mostly am just there to guide it. So I am being critical on this run, but it's only because I want Tesla to be that much better. And the belief is there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm an investor. I will continue to buy Tesla vehicles because I do like the product overall, but at the same time, I will not only give it praises, I will call out things that it does not do well. And we're just turning right here. It's driving down the middle of 2 lanes. Okay. Maybe because of this car over here. Okay, understandable. This random truck parked on the side. I actually didn't see that. It was thanks to Tesla that actually saw it. And ooh, what? That's not. Where you going? No, it's not a lane. That's not a lane. Where are you going, buddy? That's not a lane, buddy. That's emergency shoulder lane. I'm about to cut off all these cars. That's too funny.
Cute.
Cute FSD, but ooh, aggressive left turn. I do have to turn right here, so no need to go left turn. No need to go in the left lane, Tesla. And I do want to test out auto park one more time, so we're gonna head over to a supercharging station, and I want to see how well auto park does. And people always ask me how to check your version. You go to software, and it should tell you what version you have. I'm running 12.3.6. So let's test out auto park in a supercharging station. Let's see how well it does in Tesla's home. All right, we want to squeeze in between those 2 Teslas there, and let's see how well it does. The last one was 8.5, some hesitance, but let's see how quick it does here. All right, I'm gonna hit start. Okay. All right, clean. That's a clean entry. Okay, I like it. Ooh, getting a little close to the right there. Oh, it's adjusting. I think it's gonna go straight. Is it gonna go straight to adjust? No. Okay, it's just reversing it. Okay. Okay, nice. Back-to-back great parking jobs for Tesla using Tesla Vision.